Hey y'all, Barbie here to just say that not everyone's entries did go through to my email that I had told y'all to send the entries to. So if you entered and haven't gotten an email back from me, comment down below and I'm going to reach out to y'all and come up with something. And as for the winner, I will get that shipped out hopefully by the middle of next week. But I've got a lot going on right now. But I promise you, it is coming your way, and congratulations. But for now, enjoy the rest of the video, and as always, I'll see y'all in the next one.
I got beat up by a table, so
Get fucked, pussy.
suck my dick, Crimson.
No, it's too small.
How do you know? Maybe I have a pretty big dick.
I've been stalking you.
My dick is pretty big.
Shitty dicky, fuck you. Pretty big. Until it.
Why are there so many? What the fuck?
That's so bullshit that they just fill it up with red containers, for fuck's sake.
Yeah. What?
My name's Dave.
Oh, I'm pissed now.
Everybody see me go fly, bruh?
Yeah.
I think what's happening is that we need to work as a team.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
fuck.
As cats already
Yeah,
up
what
there.
He said. That pussy
Fuck
boy's
you,
up there.
Tyre.
That crate just fucking disappeared.
Oh.
Honey Meliodas got back.
Bruh, fuck this game. No!
I will get to the top before I go to bed.
You just hate it because it has the word gay in it, Barbie.
What?
Dude, I can't wait till my grandparents call me grandpoggers.
Fuck off.
Can you guys fucking die already?
No, never.
Fuck literally you, Crimson.
Okay. Oh my god! Yo!
Come to me, Hickory.
I'm coming! Oh my god!
Halo 3 Rats power.
Ah!
You made it.
I
You
did
made it.
it!
Good job.
Yay!
Rat power.
Yes! The power of the dick tip.
Bitch, suck Dorito dust off my dick tip.
Yeah, we just need Bingbo and Crimson up here, fucking idiots.
Alright, you fuckers.
Come on, Bingbo, you can do it.
Hockey.
I'm full of spunk.
You're full of spunk, indeed.
That'd be fucking hilarious if you got
The
beat
wall's
by a
pretty
barrel.
safe, just don't fall through.
I'm gonna eat my own
Yeah.
ass.
Ooh. Why? You've got Elizabeth.
Hey. Get fucked.
No! I died! How?
You idiot.
You know what, Crimson?
Yo.
I'm fucking over this game. What? How? What the fuck even happened? I was just standing at the tool.
God
Shit.
damn it, Bobby.
Fuck.
Shit, dick, and fuck, shit, dick, fuck.
Oh my god!
Fucking get fucked, Barbie.
Suck my dick, Crimson.
No.
Yeah, it wasn't an offer, it was a demand.
Oh, fuck your demand. I didn't see a fucking tag. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my
God! Titan.
Oh!
Oh, that's a great.
I hope you get a bit hit by a barrel.
Oh my God! I actually flinched. Holy shit! He's hitting me, but I'm not dying.
Die
Go,
already.
small man, go. That's literally how we step on you. Do it. He's into that.
What the fuck?
You ain't nothing but them. Damn, Shelby.
Oh my
You ain't
arm.
nothing but leg.
Well, that's an issue. Ooh. Oh, so was that.
I am in fact nothing but leg.
Nothing but
Crimson, you're
lag.
required
Yo,
to
check
be
this
tall
out.
man now.
Nothing but laxatives? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Cop, bro.
Oh shit. Well. What the fuck was that? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh. Why? Oh my.
Speaking of lied to me, Barbie said she'd be up here.
I was up there.
She was. No, she wasn't.
No, there's literally no evidence because you're not. So
Even Cat
I
just
was
said,
up here too.
so suck my dick, Bingbo.
I just pressed the button.
Oh my god.
Yeah, he says fuck
like that.
We're getting there. Just gotta believe in the power of.
Believe
Well,
in the
that's an
power of the
issue.
dick tip.
Oh, yeah. Ah!
Don't forget your laxatives when you.
Oh shit. Bro, why are they all dropping? Fuck these red crates.
Oh, this one?
Yeah.
Ah!
You look
Oh.
so proud of the devil doing that. Yeah. Your guy's just like.
This game's a bitch.
No, you're a bitch.
The audacity? Oh shit. Alright,
Hi, Bingbo.
we're going to the
I'll
cum
stand
sock.
right here. Fuck.
Yes! Suffer.
More like, no, ma'am. Hee hee.
I have to resort to the cum sock now.
You got fazonkies or fazolies or anything?
Oh yeah. Well shit.
Oh yeah. Oh man.
I'll wait right here for you guys.
Oh, you do that, you.
She's got the power of cum.
Yeah. Oh shit. Cool.
Piss right on me.
I'm coming, cat. I lied. I'm not. Tricked ya. It was all a joke.
He
Dress him
lives.
up
Ah,
as
fuck.
0. Good, cat. Suffer. We're all suffering again. Ah, the fucking tire.
I'll dress him up as Zero Sugar Sprite.
We were at Target the other day, and they had like collar costumes for dogs, and it was just a giant fucking waffle.
Listen.
I wouldn't drink a Zero Sugar beverage. The
I would-
fuck's wrong with you?
I hope not. Fuck you, table.
No, I drink a dog, just not a zero sugar beverage. Why would I dress him up as a zero sugar beverage if I wanted?
Don't you make me jump! I've got.
Pussy is so wet.
Mike Wazowski.
Where the hell Crimson go?
Pussy is wet.
I don't know.
Fuck you, of course a crate would drop. We're almost there. We're gonna Yes! Yes!
Here's more crates.
Don't you do it.
No, I'm just kidding. There's no more crates up
I'm
here.
staying up here this time.
Nice tits. Those are a winner's tits.
I can't.
Sometimes in life,
You gotta stare into the cum sock.
you gotta suck your own dick.
Can't relate. Alright, he's sucking his own dick now, Cat. Get up here.
Nah, you're like, please, I need an adult.
He's scaring me.
Do you know your mom and dad's telephone number?
No. This is a weird bit. Cat, get up here.
The no was so, like, real. No.
I don't know what's happening, but it sounds awkward.
He's trying to fuck me.
No, I'm trying to serial kill her, but she answered a question very sad-like, and it just ruined the mood.
You can't kill my cereal.
That makes that makes sense.
Hey,
Captain
we're all
Crunch
here.
is too powerful.
We made
Table
it.
3 rat.
God, there's so
You
many
did it.
rats.
This is the evolutionary stages of life. First you're a cum sock, then you're a rat, then you're a ferret that works at Starbucks.